Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Instagram Reels history. Now it's pretty simple to do, but before I begin with the video, I can offer Shopify for only $1 your first month. So if you want that, click the link in the description. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram and let's go to the Reels section. Now I'm just scrolling, take a look at the Reels, whatever. And let's say I like this reel, but I scroll down, maybe exit Instagram. Then I'm like, oh, I want to see that reel again. I will just open up Instagram, open the Reels and scroll back up to see it. Now, if I were to close Instagram completely and reopen it, I won't be able to find that reel I just saw. So another great way is to find the reels that you want is to leave a comment on them. So let's just comment something. And now you see I have left a comment on here and I closed Instagram. Then you want to open up Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right, top right, click on the hamburger menu, and then you see the option Your Activity, like under How to Use Instagram. Click on Your Activity and you see the section called Comments. You will see the video I left a comment on, the one with the D. It's this one. Now, of course, you can always like the videos if you are tagged and etc. But the easiest way is to just comment or leave a like. If I were to like this video, go back, likes, as you can see, this video is on the likes. And that is the only way to see reel history. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify offer, click the link in the description.